student, welcome back to our in English school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 7. Today's topic creative question 1 and 2 from chapter 1. So student, let's get started our class. Now, creative question 1. This is your stamp. Okay, you have to answer these 4 questions based on this stamp. So read this stamp very carefully. Rahima lives in a village. She tries to fulfill the needs of her family with her limited income, prioritizing the needs. As the tube well is far from her kitchen, she stores water in the bucket. She arranges the essential equipment for cooking and keeps them on a shelf made of clay. As a result, she can take her children to school on time after finishing her cooking. Now, here are given 4 questions. One is first one. A. What is resources? Number B. What is limitation of resources? Number C. Which technique does Rahima apply as a preparation for cooking? Explain how does it help her to make the work simple. Number D. Rahima uses family resources properly. Justify this statement. Family resources properly. Okay. Now, A. Resources are wealth and property belonging to a person or a country. In other words, resources are the tools that satisfy various human demands. Number 2, what is limitation of resources? The term limitation of resources mean that no resource is endless, may it be material or immaterial, that means human. Let us consider the cases with our energy and time. While working we feel weak to weaker because we exert our energy is in doing the work. Again, we cannot make a 48-hour day by all our efforts. Number C, which technique does Rahima apply as a preparation for cooking? Explain how does it help her to make the work simple. Rahima is an accomplished woman. She keeps a bucket full water because her tube well is at a little distance. It is really difficult to go there and also to bring water again and again. It is also a time wasting matter. She arranges all her utensils on a shelf. It helps her finding a cooking material quickly and easily. In this way, she controls time and energy through simplification of her work. So, student, we can save our time and energy, okay, through simplification of our work. Number D, Rahima uses family resources property. Justify this statement. Number D, demand knows no need but supply is scanty. So, a wise permutation between demand and supply is of vital necessity. Human should use all his resources including family resources in such a way as will give maximum output with minimum input. To do any work in least time and most effective way, necessary materials must be kept in an easy finding way. It saves both time and energy. What can be used in some other productive activities? Rahima maintains her family in a caretaking manner. She buys necessary things for her family on the maximum priority. She deserves time-saving quality in the sense that she keeps everything arranged and ready, lest she should waste her time in finding this or that. Now, number 2, creative question 2. Mahfooza of Rasulpur village dreams to become a successful woman entrepreneur. For achieving this goal, she uses her tailoring skill to make different kinds of handicrafts such as Nikshikantha, bed cover, etc. and sells these articles. Noticing Mahfooza's skill of work, a women organization of her area gives her loan. Mahfooza gives training to 10 women on this subject and also has established an organization named Shiuly. Mahfooza is now famous for her work in Rasulpur and the other places near Rasulpur. Now, number 1 question, what is home management? And number A question, what is home management? Number B, Human resources are related to each other. Explain. Number C. Explain the kind of resource which influences mass on Mahfuzja. Number D. Mahfuzja has been able to achieve goals by combining two kinds of resources. Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons for your answer. Number 1 answer is number A. The sum of a few work methods for attaining familial goods is called form management. Number B. Human resources include energy, skill, knowledge, strategy and attitude, one of which promotes the other. Let us suppose Mr. X is a skilled technologist. He will not be able to repair a computer if he lacks physical energy. Number C. According to the passage, Mahfuzja owns both material and immaterial, that means human resources. Her material resources include the handicrafts she makes and the loan she gets. On the other hand, her immaterial resources include her energy, skill, organizing capacity, optimistic attitude and willpower. She has succeeded in attaining what she dreams of mainly by dint of her immaterial resources. Number D. Yes, I agree that Mahfuzja has been able to achieve goods by combining two kinds of resources. The passage states that she owns both material and immaterial resources. Her material resources are the handicrafts she makes and the loan she gets. Without these resources, it is not possible to proceed a single step with all her immaterial resources. That means willpower, optimistic attitude, organizing capacity, skill and energy. Again, without these immaterial resources, she cannot proceed a single step, although she has sufficient material resources. So both material and immaterial resources are both important, okay, for one's success. So student, it is your homework number 4 and topic creative question C of question number 1. So student, do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you.